Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign, and we are just completing the full session of the supply chain management course. Here we are the stage of the chapter 2 in which we are understanding the factor which influence the distribution network designing. Okay, so here distribution network designing means you already aware in earlier session that the inventory management, or we can say the distribution of the product from the manufacturer to the customer. So how you can manage these facilities in the higher level, okay, then you will get optimum level of the output. Okay, so here what are the factors which influence the distribution network designing? Okay, so we can understand distribution system, or we can say distribution network, need to design in such a way that will provide better services at the lower cost. Okay, so these facilities, on what point it's depend. So these are the factors which influence this entire system. Okay, so performance of a distribution network should be evaluated along with the two dimensions. Okay, it totally depend on the two dimensions: customer needs that are met. Okay, we need to fulfill the needs of customer by delivering the as per orders. Okay, so these are the first. Then second, cost meeting to the customer needs. Okay, if you satisfy the customer, then you will get in return of the payment. Okay, so these are the factor. So main factor, you need to complete the customer needs. Okay, so this will influence the company revenue. Okay, and now cost of meeting the customer need decided the probabilities of the delivery networks. Okay, in such case we need to understand how you can save the cost. Okay, and how you will manage this distribution center designing. Okay, so if you have receiving the high volume of the order, then you need to arrange the distribution in right way that can fulfill the order in timely. Okay, so here these are the factors that on the basis of the order you need to arrange your distribution center. Okay, so some elements we need to understand that will influence this system. Okay, distribution network, we are just understanding the distribution network designing. Okay, distribution network designing means that from manufacturer to the customer, here manufacturer, then these are the customer. So in between, this arrangement need to be designed in such a way, this network need to be designed in such a way that customer requirement will fulfill in right way. Okay, so we are just understanding this. So what are the influence factor? What are the factors influence this system? So response time. Okay, the time between the when customer is placed an order and receiving. Okay, these are need to understand the response time. How in which time, which date customer order and in which date you are delivering. Okay, you can understand by help of Flipkart website. When you place the order, you will aware, you will know that what time you will receive this order. Okay, so this is the response time. Okay, now product varieties. Okay, so the number of different product configurations that customer desire from the distribution network. Okay, so it depend on the variety of product, what kind of product you need. Okay, so as per that product requirement, you need to arrange your distribution. Okay, like a customer needs mobile Nokia mobile phone. Okay, so then you need to arrange the inventory of Nokia phone. If customer needs any other product like a flute and musical system, then you need to arrange this inventory. Okay, so this product variety choices also the become a factor of which influence this distribution network designing. Okay, now product availabilities, the product availability, having the product in the stock when customer order arrive. Okay, so we also need to understand if you're not available this product, then you need to avail. Okay, once you receive the order, then you have check out in your inventory system that product in order, then you need to arrange this. So this factor that on the order of the customer and product availabilities, you need to manage your distribution network designing. Okay, then customer experience. Okay, including the case which the customer can place and receive their order. Okay, so expert experience, just like a customer like some product like a Parle biscuit is liked by the customer, then you need to arrange the inventory. So this is the also the customer experience is also the factor which influence the distribution center. Now order visibilities, the abilities to customer they track orders from placement to delivery. Okay, then now you know the visibility, order visibility can be seen easily by online. Okay, but in earlier time what happened, when any person send postcode from one location to another, then there is no visibilities. Only when you put in the uh, letterbox, then forget that when we'll receive and what time it will receive. This is not okay. Okay, so this is the example of the earlier days where the courier and letter is delivered. There is no visibility, and nowadays you can track your courier or any shipments at what level it reach. Okay, so you can understand, and you need to manage your urgency as per their code. For example, in factories, your lining is working, okay, and manufacturing process is going on, but one machinery part is damaged. In such case, what you need to, if machinery part is not available in India, then you need to order immediately from the overseas. So if you have a good supply chain management, then you will receive the order in just in time. Okay, so here we need to understand that the delivery of the goods from origin to the our factory will be traced on the online. Okay, so this is order visibilities. Now returnability. The easy with which the easy with which customer return the unsatisfactory merchandise and send ability to the network, and there is such returns. Okay, nowadays you can understand any product from buying online shopping like Flipkart, Amazon, and all the things online shoppings. You can, if you are not like that product, and you can return that. So once you need only online, you need to mention that we don't like this product, and immediately the person of the service provider will reach at your location and collect for the returning. Okay, so you can understand nowadays this returnability facility also need to be understand which influence the distribution center. Okay, when you designing your network center, distribution network center, then you also need to understand that product can be returned from the customer, so need to arrange delivery also. So guys, we have tried to understand the factor which influence the distribution network designing. So guys, we are going to end the session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.